We're going to be trying out Kisses FALSCARA. Now they have kits and they have all these individual boxes with different styles of lashes you can use. I'm going to go for a more dramatic type of lash. I did try out their kit probably like a month and a half ago, and I didn't film it because I honestly thought, let me not film my first time. Let me make some mistakes because I knew I would, and then let's film it for the second round. And I did realize what my mistakes were, and I do realize what I could have also done after watching tips and tricks with TikToks and all of that. That day, I honestly was just like, let's just try it out. But now, for real, let's try it out. So in the kit, it came with a bond and seal. The bond is the glue that you're going to put on your lashes. Now, if you do know some tips and tricks, when I first did it, it said only put it at the base of your lash. Now the seal is literally going to take away the stickiness and seal in your lashes. And then the overnight is going to extend the wear of your lashes. So first, let me show you the different styles in case you were interested in purchasing some. These are the Bambi, the accent. These are very, very spiky, so you can probably put these in between. Extra drama. I won't be going for these today. These are extra thick. I feel like these are those really extra fluffy looking lashes. Spiky glam. Those are definitely a notch down. And then here are the So Extra Wisps. So Extra Wisps, because I feel like this is going to be a better match for me right now. Let's get started. Step number 1, make sure your lashes are not dirty. You want them nice and clean. I just got out of the shower, so I hope they're clean. Okay, right out the box, I really like this, and I'm glad I picked the style because they have small, medium, and large, or long. Or short, medium, and long. Because I'm probably, you know, they're going by lengths. And why am I trying to act like this is a combo with your French fries? These are lengths of lashes, Lizzie. Okay, let's get it together. Short, medium, long. Not a small, medium, or large. So like I said, there's a bond and a seal. And the first time that I did this, I watched some videos and they said to only put the bond at the base of the lashes. A tip that if you curl your lashes, which I did beforehand, that it really helps. So yeah, I'm really going to just like push back my lashes because the first time I was just kind of like this, placing them. But then I saw someone just like pull them back and at least you can really see your lashes. So this is what my natural lash looks like right here. Let me push back my mic so it's not too loud. Right here. And the first time I put the bond just at the base. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to just place it like normal, like everybody else. Like concentrate on the base, but also wisp a little, like brush a little up. And then here is the bond. It is a very, very small itty bitty brush. So I heard that you should also go by sections. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do this little section here first. And then just brush it up. From right here. Put too much glue, you start getting like some little white fuzzies, and that's what happened to me. I'm like, why does it look like a sweater went across my lashes? So now I'm going to grab the lash, place it underneath. Now when you place it, you don't want to bring it right on the lash line, like right at your water line, because then it is going to be way too close. So I'm going to just bring it a little bit further and just wisp it up. Oh, wait, those are long. Wait, that might bring my eye down. Okay, wait, I feel like I have to commit now. And then connect them and let them go. Now I did hear if you put seal on the inside of your tweezers, it helps when you connect them. So let me do that. We're going to go with it. You put a little bit of seal in between so that it doesn't stick. So that when you squeeze your lashes together, the glue doesn't stick. And bring it right here. There we go. And now I'm going to, ooh, do I have enough bond there? I don't know how far I went. Clamp and release. Place this. That one actually could have been a little bit closer to the lash line. So now I'm just going to bring some more bond. I'm just going to do the rest of my eye. A medium, grab that. Let's make sure there's nothing on there. It looks like a little fuzzy. Okay. Let's grab this and bring it a little bit closer this time. Right there. And now let's bring it and clamp. Now, I don't know if I should try to stick in a little small one right on the inside and just overlap. Let's just do it. And stick it in there. What do you guys think? This actually feels so much more comfortable than the first time I did it. The first time I definitely had poking. I forgot to clamp in between. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. Let me put some seal. So seal is what you want to put right here, the white portion in between the tweezers so it doesn't stick. See how it's not sticking now? Okay, so I went ahead and took a safety pin to that lash. So yeah, I don't recommend you do that. Just be very careful. So now I'm going to take the seal, and you're supposed to take a very light amount and just go through right there. And then I've heard people say go on top, but just very lightly, and then that's it. Afterwards, you take the overnighter and you go right over, it's a black like liquid, and you take this and you take very little of it. I'm gonna lift, and then you just swipe this all the way across to help seal this in even longer. And then that's it. There you go. I think it looks very nice. I just feel like lash extensions are so expensive. I don't know how people are paying like $150 every 2 weeks. That's like $300. I mean, I guess if you do want to do high maintenance thing to stay low maintenance, I get it. Like if this is your thing, I get it. But I don't know. And I also feel like makeup lovers, it's so easy to put on lashes, and that's probably why I'm just like, I don't need to. I feel like I saw a lot of videos of everybody saying make sure you get the FALSCARA remover just because it's very tacky. So you definitely don't want to just yank these off. This is not like a regular lash band. Think of this as full on strong glue. You don't want to mess with that because then you're going to rip out all your natural lashes. So make sure you have the glue. I don't know if you can just use coconut oil or whatever. Better safe than sorry, you know, and then all of a sudden you're crying with no lashes. I would get the remover as well. The first time it was such a waste. That's why I'm glad I held off from filming, and I feel like this was more of a productive video. All right, well, I'm going to get going. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Woo!